Alright, I'm back with another banger, you know how we come in. So first of all, you're going to want to draw these two lines here. As always, I add the measurements at the beginning so you know the rough size of my drawing. But, you know, don't go using a ruler through the whole thing. If you actually want to learn how to draw, try and do as much of it like freehand as possible, you know what I mean? Just follow the video. So this overall shape's like an egg/oval. We're making it slightly smaller. This is going to be the ghost character. So the bottom line's going to be like the wiggly tail lines, if you know what I mean.
Quentin Quarantino, my love from movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want.
So really, if you want to break this down even more, it's literally two ovals put next to each other, one smaller than the other. But yeah, these characters are interesting. It's almost like the guy's wearing a backpack. Like, comment below if you know what they're actually supposed to be wearing. Are they supposed to be in some sort of space suit or something like that? But then they're not in space though.
I ain't touching shit, I ain't bucking out you. Swear I'm alive, I gotta stay alive. I'm building up on that vitamin 5.
I'm going to use this yellowy orange for all of the characters, but obviously use whatever colors you want. For the shadows, either go over it again or get a darker shade of the same color.
Quarantine. They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My love from movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno.
Usually if you use a yellow Copic, the best color for the shadows is usually a very light brown.
They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My love from movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno. I don't want to talk about zeros. I just want to talk about, you know. Yeah. She want the free word, I do comply. I am a skater, I'm on my grind. They copy styles, they watching on pockets. They know the phone, look at the time. Maxing, relaxing. They call me Mr. Fantastic. Planet,
Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next character. I'm pretty much going to start all of them with this like cross section. I find it's the easiest for these oval shapes. Alright, so this is going to be the version where someone pulls up, they do someone dirty, and the character's like cut in half on the floor.
Quentin Quarantino. My love for movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno. I don't want to talk about zeros. I just want to talk about. They tryna put man on quarantine. Call me Quentin Quarantino. My love for movie like Robert De Niro. Yeah, my thunder gets the Neros. I want the sides, I want the pheno. I don't want to talk about zeros. I just want to talk about, you know. Quarantine. I want the pheno. I want the pheno. Quarantine, 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 quarantine. Yeah, quarantine.
¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? We about to blow it some maza. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? From the block to Casablanca. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Watch me finesse con la yoga. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Habla mucho, cala la boca. Tout est en flamme, j'adore quand c'est fuego. Gocciolari, so they loving my stilo. We run the world like we joga bonito. We fly than boots, so we soaring like eagles. We are no equals, you're more of a seagull. I'm the one and only, there is no sequel. Get high on the ghost, I do not smoke illegal.
So for this next one, just imagine you're drawing a bowl type of shape.
Co-signed by the most high, I'm a bossa. Flow coming like bossa. Not go bit you if you get close. Don't drown in a sauce. Wait, get lost to the sound of the streets. Young Nami boy, yeah, you know I'm a king. Bassa, bassa, we bout to blow it some maza. Bassa, bassa, from the block to Casablanca. Que pasa, que pasa, watch me finesse con la yoga. Que pasa, habla mucho, cala la boca. Que pasa.
So that's pretty much it for the second version of the half body. I'm just going to color the rest in now. I actually saw it on Google, so shout out to whoever made that on Google.
Watch me finesse con la yoga. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Habla mucho, cala la boca. Tout est en flamme, j'adore quand c'est fuego. Gotcha line, so they loving my stilo. We run the world like we joga bonito. We fly than boots, so we soaring like eagles. We are no equals, you're more of a sequel. I'm the one and only, there is no sequel. Get high on the ghost, I do not smoke illegal. Lyrical labra, so gara baligro. Co-signed by the most high, I'm a buster. Flow coming like boss.
Alright, so version 3/4, we're gonna draw the original character just standing straight. This shape almost reminds me of one of them like product design videos where they draw like mobile phone shapes. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of that. I actually studied product design as well, so we used to draw stuff like this all the time, like 3D objects. Here the lines are too straight, so add curves to make it look a bit more natural. For the glass helmet type thing, it's actually just a rectangle with curves on the corners, bigger on the left side, and then it gets smaller as it goes out.
Say you gotta go, but you ain't got no aim. Me and you, dog, we are not the same. You should clean your mouth before you say my name. You should watch your step, just stay in your lane. Pure honesty running through my veins. All that fakeness, we don't enter.
So with Pro Markers, I realized you can use the exact same color to get a shadow, but with Copics, it doesn't work as well. So here I'm using the exact same blue I used the first time. I just waited for the first layer to dry.
On the inside.
Now we're moving on to the next character. I don't even know what number we're on, but yeah, this is going to be the version where the guy's like sitting down. We're going to draw the same sort of shape we've been drawing for the rest of them, except this one's on a slight angle, if you know what I mean. It's not like all the way straight.
Right now I'm in my zone. If you ain't my bro, please don't call my phone. Take my advice, so get busy, tone. Crossroad flow like I'm busy, bone.
This one I'm drawing here isn't all the way the original one, because I know the original one doesn't have like the little feet on the end. But again, I saw this on Google and I preferred how this one looked, to be honest. So that's why I'm drawing this one. If you guys want to draw the original one, then obviously you just curve off the legs and you don't add the feet. This exact yellow right here is like literally my favorite color. Like out of all the Copics, Pro Markers, this is one of my favorite colors. Either this or one of the blues.
If you ain't my bro, please don't call my phone. I'm coming for the throne. Hey, you should leave me alone. Right now I'm in my zone. If you ain't my bro, please don't call my phone. Yeah. Yeah. No switch. Ooh. Yeah. No switch. Yeah. No switch.
Okay, we made it. We're on to the last one now. And this is the one where the guy, like, he's got his mouth open and I guess his tongue is like a knife or something, and then, you know, he does what he does. So yeah, this is actually one of the easiest ones to draw. It's literally like 2 90-degree angles, and then yeah, that's it really.
In the deep end, ice on me looking like the North Pole. Now I'm ready for the weekend. Up, no sleep, aiming for the 3P. Oh, this is my season. She loving my stilo, she in love with the kid. She don't wanna just be friends. Go hard to go home, don't get lost in the sauce, or you drown in the deep end. I can tell how you're feeling. He cut you deep, made you cry for no reason. Baby, dry your tears, you're a queen, he's a peasant. Let's fly away, stack this money to the ceiling. I ain't just anyone, girl, my name is Nemi. No rush, take your time, tell me when you're ready. I'm the better option, I'll show you if you let me. He don't even pay attention when you get a new petty. Baby, I'm the genie. They just wanna be me, but I'm the only one with a steel and his horse. Tell these other guys that they just doing the most. Take a break to the mountains, come and stay with the goat. No, I'm not a liar, girl, I can rock your boat. Through the thick and thin, I'll make sure we stay afloat. No, I'm not playing, girl, this isn't a joke. Actions speak more than words, so it's time to walk the talk. Ice on me, looking like the North Pole. Now I'm ready for the weekend. Up, no sleep, aiming for the 3P. Oh, this is my season. She loving my style, oh, she in love.
Alright, and there you have it. That's pretty much the end of the video. Last character done. That's a rack. For you guys who really support me, you know what usually pops up on the bottom left of the screen when I say that's a rack. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm too tired to even edit. But yeah, next video, I'm gonna do a next video. But yeah, that's a rack. If you guys like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Share with your grandma, share with your mom, share with your sister, share with your pet dog. And you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bam.
Ice on me, looking like the North Pole. Now I'm ready for the weekend. Up, no sleep, aiming for the 3P. Oh, this is my season.
Yeah.